This is what happens when you don't rake up leaves. Plus, water went down there. My mouth. Jesus. Got a lot of work to do today. Rake this up, cut this fence. This is my neighbor's fence. Gotta cut it down before it gets any worse. Jeez. Well, at least my animals are okay. Bad storm last night. Well, oh! Oh, foot went through that hole. Wasn't paying attention. I'm all right. Well, at least they're enjoying it. I gotta clean this. Gotta fix the fence. Rake all these leaves. Cut the fence. Yeah. Remodel everything. Hey boy, what you doing? You watching this? I mean, you're looking around. You watch that hole again. Yeah, some storm, eh? Hey Swiss, where's your baby? Oh, there she is. Some storm, eh, huh, girl? Big storm we just had last night. Kept me all awake till 12. Actually, till 1. I kind of cut this fence, but I just want to film him looking at it. Yeah, a lot more work to do. We're gonna take this whole fence down. Just family conference with our group. Decide to take this damn fence down. Leave this one down. Yeah. Hey Swiss, everything's alright, my baby. Come here, my baby. There you go. See? Who's my girl? Who's my good girl? Oh, there. No, it's not. Don't eat my hand. Is your girl over there? Yeah, she's smelling all over. Hey, boy. Might take this whole fence, down, leave this one so we can, I don't know, part of me wants to take the whole damn thing down. To prevent this, because we're downhill. Hey pretty, what are you doing, girl? Some storm we had, huh? Well, hello there, Simon Swiss. You scared? You were scared last night? No. She wants to see her boyfriend. There you go.